Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Today is Sunday. And do not enter over there. I just stay outside. Okay. But I knew the reason why they close. Why they close it. I just live about 5 minutes from the washroom. They don't like this color, orange too. So why they put the color in the toilet? In the toilet they warn me, but they don't like orange original. Mean they don't like toilet. So if you don't like toilet in here, water down. You can't swimming right now. You know why? Some people say 4 years past. I say more than that. Because they don't like toilet and people don't like toilet, they come to pool in here in water. So why they close it? So mean you make money, you reach out for Canadian, or you destroy for Canadian, or you hurt yourself, or you kill yourself. Yeah, answer it, comment. I know because I got already, so I knew it. Day 2000 and another day 2020, mean 2026 right now. I just remind you. You don't like the code, you all like bad idea. Mean you hurt yourself, you kill yourself. You have to take care of people. Take care of children of God, not kids of God. If you say kid, you like to the way you kidnapping. So in Israel, they ill about you. So they real about you. They kill all you kids. The new everywhere, but you don't know. You blind. You blind for daytime, but you blind. Wake up, people. Don't be blind. You still alive while you blind. All of you blind. And you make people blind. Wake up. Way and true and life. Yeah. If you want to open, you have to take care children of God. Do not enter because God don't allow you because you don't like everybody. So thank God.